What's up, beautiful people? So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process of how I did my small box braids. I am working with type 4 hair. Your girl no longer has a TWA. I have graduated to a mini fro. So I did already shampoo and condition. I'm starting with clean hair, and I am working with the Expressions in Burgundy, and this is going to be extremely long hair, 84 inches. It's super duper cost efficient. I only use 2 packs at the end of this style. So you just want to cut right where you see the rubber band, and then you have all of that to work with. The first thing you want to do is to feather the ends, and that's basically taking little pieces of hair and pulling them out, making sure that the hair is uneven. This will make sure that the braid looks as natural as possible at the ends of the hair. The smaller your section, the smaller the braid. You want to take that section and split it in two, and then you crisscross it like so. To moisturize, I'm using Mocha Whip's Peppermint Mocha, which is shea butter, peppermint, and dark cocoa. This is a great moisturizing product. They also have great hair and skincare products if you like to check them out. I do have a discount code in the description box. So my hair is super duper thick and I'm super duper tender headed, and I did not want to tackle the detangling process all at once. So the best thing for me was to take it section by section and then detangle that section as I'm braiding my hair. You're going to place that cross section at the top of your hair and hold it down with your finger. Then you're going to have one hand that's going to have your hair plus the strand, and then the other hand has the other strand. And using your hair as the third strand, you're going to hold it tight and braid it down. Unless your hair is long, you're going to run out of hair. So you need to take a piece from one of the other strands to add to the middle. This will also help hide the middle, your hair, especially if it's puffy or natural. So you just add that to the middle and make sure that you grip it kind of tight, and then continue to plait that down.
Hey, sugar. Kid, sugar. Hey, sugar. Since he woke you up? Yeah. She disturbed your nap, huh? Say, Mommy, what's up with that head? What is it? What is it?
A few moments later.
Alright, so this is how much I've got done with just one pack of hair. I know when I'm watching these types of videos, I'm always curious, how many packs did you use? And I never get the answer, so. And I'm going to show you guys one more time how to install the braid. And when you get to the end of the braid, you want to keep it from unraveling too much by basically confusing the braid by taking small pieces from the outside and bringing it to the middle. And I am finally finished with all my baby braids. It took me about 10 hours. And if you look at it, it is stiff. I do not like the stiffness. So I'm going to dip it in some hot water, boiling hot water, and these are the results. It's much thinner. As you can see, the ends are a little bit wavy, which gives it this nice little flow. And yeah, that's how you do small braids on your natural hair. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, be you, be beautiful, be blessed.